is the king.
This is the king.
The king can move one square at every direction.
If you capture it, you win. Well, if you like checkmate it, you win.
It's the most important piece
The king is the whole game.
because if you lose it, then the game's over. It can go like a queen, but only one square.
The only time he can move two is when he castles.
It is worth infinity points.
This is a pawn.
It's the most weakest piece.
Straight, we can kill diagonal.
At its starting position, you can move one or two squares.
And it reaches the end of somebody else's part. If you're in the right position, it can up his arm.
It only worth 1 point.
This is a bishop. The bishop moves diagonal.
It is worth 3.0001 point.
This is the rook. The rook moves horizontal and vertical.
It can move up and down side to side.
It is another piece used to castle with the king.
It's a very good endgame piece. This is a knight.
It moves in like a L shape.
And it could also skip pieces.
If you don't pay attention to the knight, it can go in an L shape and it can take any piece.
This is a queen.
All the way down,
The queen can move anywhere in any direction.
side to side, diagonal.
It goes like a rook and a bishop.
It is worth 9 points.